Igama Phumlani Ndaba, affectionately known as Ndaba, from Montic Primary School at Ekurhuleni South, which is in Katlehong. Yes. Mentioning Indaba digital and AI, one thing for sure, the reason why I always encourage art is not all of the learners that we teach, they're going to be academically inclined. Some of these learners have got talent, not only in their books. So encouraging and supporting learners, whether it be it singing, poetry, or doing any other form of art, you are encouraging these learners to unleash their own potential instead of focusing on their books, but also with the new digital platform world. It's easy for them to see poetry, drama on their phone, on their systems with the new technology. Word of the day, art transform the past to the future. I thank you.